Rock tunnelling will require that the amount of overbreak being excavated is measured. This is recorded by observing points around the profile of the tunnel. We then load those points that have been surveyed into the cross sections. Here we can see the green line is the observed profile. The two lines we have here is the outer line is the design profile of the tunnel, and the inner line is the design shotcrete. So we can calculate, using the tunnel mode, the amount of overbreak being excavated and the amount of underbreak. Or if I change the line to be used to the shotcrete profile, it'll calculate the volume of shotcrete being placed. We can then produce a report giving all of the information required and set up the report showing the clearances, the amount of overbreak, underbreak, etc. into the report, and customize this with logos and headings and various parts of information that we want to show on the print. In a rock tunnel, understanding the deformation of the ground around the tunnel is an important aspect of the tunnelling process. We can observe points over a period of time, observing the same point over and over again. Now these are going to form the base points, so the first ones are brought in, and the following day's survey we can add to it and slowly build up a database every day of bringing in the new points, or I could bring in a whole series of points. Now when a point goes out of tolerance, you have the choice of adding a discontinuity or ignoring it or just accepting it. In this case, the target has been moved, so I'm going to add a discontinuity. Now when you've opened up enough points that you require profiles through, we can see a period of observations have been carried out on these. We can then produce a report along with the design tunnel shape, and the shape has got convergence lines drawn in that allow me to draw convergence graphs. I can view any aspect of this, the vertical movement, horizontal movement, longitudinal movement, etc. And on the plan view, we might want to exaggerate the movement of these points, and we can see how they've all moved towards the centre of the tunnel. And then when I want to print this as a report, I customise what I want to see, and we have a variety of printouts. We can view the excavation steps along with the report, and we can view the report in long section, and this is a fairly typical report that somebody would want to generate, showing the profile of the tunnel and the various types of movement graph, along with the excavation history, where the chainage of the tunnel heading is recorded at each particular date.